In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a table view in Monday.com. Start by signing in and heading to your home page. From there, look to the left-hand side and open your workspaces. Choose the workspace where this board should live. Keeping your boards organized by workspace makes them easier to find later and helps control who can access them. Now, create a new board. Click the plus icon you'll see for adding items, then select Board. This opens the board creation window. Give your board a clear, descriptive name so teammates immediately understand its purpose. A simple tip is to include the project or team name and, if helpful, a time frame. Good naming conventions save time as your account grows. Next, pick your privacy setting. Choose main if the board should be visible to everyone in the workspace, private if it's only for specific invited people, or shareable if you need to collaborate with guests outside your account. If you're unsure, think about who truly needs access right now. You can adjust this later if your audience changes. You'll be asked what you're managing in this board. Select the option that best matches your use case: projects, tasks, clients, anything that reflects your work. This choice helps Monday.com suggest a helpful starting structure. If nothing fits perfectly, pick a general category. You can always edit columns after the board is created. Click Create Board. Monday.com will automatically generate a new board with a default table layout. This table is a grid that includes groups and columns to organize your items. Depending on your selection, you might see columns like item name, status, person, or date. Think of this as your central spreadsheet-like view, where you can add rows for new items and see all your key fields in one place. If at any point you close the table or switch views and can't find it, don't worry. At the top of the board, next to the View tabs, click the plus icon and choose Table. That instantly restores the table view so you can keep working without having to recreate anything. And that's it. You've chosen your workspace, created a board, set the right privacy, selected what you're managing, and confirmed the automatic table view. With that foundation in place, you're ready to start adding items, refining columns, and collaborating with your team. Keep your naming consistent, revisit privacy as your audience changes, and remember you can always re-add the table view from the top if it ever goes missing.